Julian, in addition to your purview, which is broad, you also have an expertise in derivatives. So finally, I want to ask you about witching. You just heard us talking about it, and in particular what we've seen in Nvidia the past couple of days, a little bit of a rollover in the stock. Is that just sort of a technical options related move? Do you think it's the start of a bigger correction in shares of Nvidia? What do you think's going on there?
Well, those shares, you've had sort of these massive reversal days every time and again over the last year. Yesterday was one of them. And I think what's interesting to us is the bigger message, right? You're down around, I don't know, call it maybe 11% from the intraday high yesterday. And the broad market has barely moved. Before I started talking, you were talking about how the equal weight index is outperforming the S&P 500 here. And that's really positive, given the fact that the acknowledged market leader has stumbled here. Look, again, if you talk to our fundamental analyst on the name, he thinks you could get to a market weighting of between 10 and 15% between now and 2030. And that's obviously based on the promise of AI. But look, the fact that these kind of short-term potholes in a name that's moved this far, they are to be expected. And the idea that the market is actually taking it in stride is very, very positive.